IntelliJ is a most popular IDE for the software development, whether you are a seasonal developer or just starting. To improve efficiency, the keyboard shortcuts play an important role. So the primary advantages of shortcut is to reduce the time spent on repetitive tasks. So in this video, I will show you top 5 IntelliJ IDEA shortcuts that will elevate your coding skills to the next level. Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Java Programming Goal, and let's start the video. First shortcut is extract method. As we know, extracting a method helps make our code more readable and maintainable. So you can use Ctrl Alt M shortcut to quickly refactor the code block into own method. Let me show you how. So here you can see code before refactoring. We have a simple Java class with primary method. In this example, we have a method calculated area that calculates the area of rectangle and print it. But I want to keep the logic and print statement in a separate method which I have selected so that I can reuse it whenever I need it. To achieve this, I will select the line responsible for calculating and printing the area. Here I am selecting the line number 9 and 10. Now I am pressing the shortcut which is Ctrl Alt M. So here you can see it will create automatically a method which name is getPrintln. So now you can rename the method. I am renaming the method and I am writing here area print. So here you can see we have created a new method where logic of calculating and printing area of a rectangle. It makes code easier to understand, test and maintain. So you can use Ctrl plus Alt plus M shortcut for the IntelliJ and extract the method and improve the code quality. Second is inline method. We can use a shortcut which is Ctrl plus Alt plus N is used to create the inline of a variable, method or constant. It replaces the occurrences of variable, method or constant with its actual value or definition. We should perform this type of action only in a limited scope and doesn't add much to readability and reusability. Suppose we have a class rectangle area which is to print the rectangle area. So we have a method where we are calculating the area of rectangle and stored in the variable, and after that printing that area. But the area method is not necessary if logic is straightforward and not reused elsewhere. So we should simplify that code. So in this case, firstly I will print the cursor on print area method and then I will press Ctrl Alt N and it will show a dialog where I have to choose one of them. It's saying inline all and remove the method, inline all and keep the method. So I am selecting the first one. So it should remove the method and create a inline statement. So when I will click on refactor, it will replace it with a simple line. Next one is column selection mode. The column selection mode is also known as the block selection mode. To enable this, we can use Alt Shift Insert shortcut so that we can use that feature. You can select text vertically rather than horizontally. So here I can show if I select a text, it is selecting the horizontally, you can say in row wise format. But if we want a text and want to edit all line in single go, then we can use the column selection mode. And it can be extremely useful when you want to insert, delete or modify the same text in multiple lines. Let me show you how. So here you can see a simple Java class with several attributes and we want to add a private keyword in front of each attribute. In row selection mode, we have to modify each attribute one by one and that will be the time consuming. So what we can do, we can use the column selection base mode. Just we need to press Alt Shift Insert And now you can select all the attributes in one go. You just need to place the cursor on first variable and press the shift and arrow. It will select all, and you can simply press the text whatever you want to write. Fourth is extracting a constant. So we can use Ctrl plus Alt plus C shortcut to extract a constant. This shortcut is very useful when we have a number or string that is hard coded in multiple places, which could make your code less readable and maintainable. So let's see how it is. So here we have a class that calculates the area, and here we have a hard coded value of pi. We want to replace it with a constant because having a value hard coded in multiple places. So here we are using it 2 times. So if we ever need to update this value or use it elsewhere, we will have to change it in every instance, which can create an error or incorrect result. So how we can replace it with a constant? So here I am placing the cursor on this value, and after that I am pressing the Ctrl Alt C, and it automatically create a variable which is public static final double, and its name is also double. So we can rename this. I will change this name. So now you can see it has created a constant and replace all the occurrences. Fifth one is extracting a variable. So we can use Ctrl Alt V shortcut to extract a variable as a constant. This refactoring technique is particularly useful when you have an expression that is used multiple times or is complex enough. In this example, you can see we are using an expression 5 multiplied by 10 is used to represent the area of the rectangle. This is repeated twice in the code. Here you can also see this. We should create a variable where we will store the calculation of this expression and then use the variable. So how we can do that? Just place the cursor and press Ctrl Alt V. Now it will ask which expression you want to put in a variable. So I am selecting this one, and it will replace all the occurrences and it will create a variable. So I am renaming this variable as area. So now you can see we have created a variable and replace all the occurrences. You can try out this shortcut from my website, which name is javagold.com. I will put the post link in video description. You can try out these, and here I describe all the shortcuts and examples. So if you like the video, please hit the like button, subscribe the channel and share the video. Thank you.